Paddy's Day and all that. And the bodies are still strewn in the street. People with humongous hangovers. That's just the band. So this is the sound check, as you might know. And you all look a bit timid and all that. You can just go mental. You can do any run up and down, whatever. Just enjoy yourselves. I always explain, it'll sound a lot better tonight when everyone's in. It'll sound good just now, but it'll sound great tonight. So don't be texting people saying it doesn't sound fucking very good. It looks empty as well. It won't be tonight. But we're really happy that you came, and I'll introduce you to everyone first. So, bass guitar, Jed Grimes. Guitar and other stuff, Gordy Gowdy. Wonderful Sarah Brown. Her name's Cherise, but we call her Sheza. Eric he'd never known about the whole Paddy's Day thing. Eric's from Scandinavia. So he got a wee bit of a shock when he went for a walk. He said, this place is fucking trashed. Well, you Vikings trashed it first. So that's Eric. Charlie Burchill. And I'm Mr. Kerr.